To me, he's just an uneducated coward. To use the word pikey in this day and age also. I'm up at a place called Mill of Ben Home. I've been up here a few times. You pay 20 quid and you can park in the car park as many nights as you want throughout the year. And it's a one-off payment, £20. So I come up here from time to time, not as often as I probably should do for the cost involved, but it's a good stopping place on the way up to places like Stonehaven, Aberdeen and Peterhead and all these sort of places right up the northeast, you know. But when I arrived, there was maybe about 15 to 20 cars in the car park, and I thought, what is this about? I've never seen so many cars in the car park, you know. And what it turned out to be, it was a group of joggers. They all kind of came back, got in their cars and left. When I'm away in the van, I don't sleep that great, but there's about 3 places that I do sleep well, and this is one of them. The other one was a couple of weeks ago. I went out by Perth, and that was a really, really good sleep out there as well. You maybe see that on a previous video. Thanks for coming back to the channel. It's really appreciated. It's so difficult when you're trying to get a YouTube channel up and running. You really work quite hard doing your videos, and the editing is incredibly painful, or at least it is for me. It's knowing what to keep and what to chuck out. But anyway, there you go. So if you like what you see, just get a thumbs up and join the channel. It'd be really appreciated. It doesn't cost you guys anything, so there you go. That'll be appreciated. Carolina moon keeps shining, shining on the one who waits for me. Morning. What a sleep. Went to bed at about 11 o'clock. Never woke up again until 7. So feeling really refreshed. Had a cup of tea. I'm thinking about breakfast, but I'm not sure what to have. Whether it be something like a yogurt or a boiled egg, I'm not sure. But one thing's for sure, we'll be sorting something out. We'll see you in a bit. That's it. We've just left Mill of Ben Home and we're on our way to Stonehaven. Doesn't take long, I think it's only maybe about 10 miles or something up to Stonehaven. Hopefully we can get a park up. It's normally very busy up on the seafront. But we'll take a drive up and see anyway, so see what happens. If we don't get parked up there, then I'll move somewhere else. Because I wasn't that fussed about going to Stonehaven in the first place, so we'll see what pans out. So we'll keep you posted. looking very doubtful whether I'll get parked up, to be honest with you. It's extremely busy. This is kind of what happens in summer when it's nice weather, you know. Everybody likes to get parked up, you can't really blame them, so we'll see what happens.
Well, this is going to get me on
I use it every day. You got any of them, Kenny?
mosquitoes.
I've got me on the house.
As well.
It's a little bottle of that size. 10 mil.
There we are, a little bit of garlic sausage. Smells absolutely delicious. I'm just going to do some rice with it. Fire it all together in a bowl and that'll do me. Just had my tea, settled down to watch some YouTube, and there goes Sean, the happy dowser. You know it's all in your head, mate. It's all in your head.
Come on, you fucking knobber. You fucking ass.
Go on, Sean, get him told.
Down at the beach where the seabirds fly, down at the beach where all my loves lie. The winds roll in and the storms crash ashore, yet all my loves are still there, just like the day before. I bring who's left to see your place. I know they remember you well, I can see it on their face. The winds roll in and the storms crash ashore, yet my loves are still there, just like the day before. We have to leave and we're sad to go, but we'll be back again, just like the day before. The winds roll in and the storms crash ashore, yet my loves are still there, just like the day before. One day my loves, I will come for good. No walking away, and together we'll be. We'll take the wind and the storms on shore, and we'll be all together, just like before. The winds roll in and the storms crash ashore, yet my loves are still there, just like the day before. One day the wind will take us all away, on a journey to another plane. Hold on tight as we travel away, where we'll walk again on a sunny day. The winds roll in and the storms crash ashore.
So picture the scene. You're sat here at your van, just minding your own business, and a jogger runs past, and he shouts in your van, "Fucking pikey." What is that all about? The fact that the guy was running tells me he's an absolute coward, because he wouldn't have stopped and shouted in the van, "You fucking pikey," would he? No, he had to be running. So, to me, he's just an uneducated coward. To use the word pikey in this day and age also. hate speech, absolute hate speech. Don't know where they get it from. Stonehaven's been good, a lot of good people, always stop, speak to you, never a moment's bit of bother. But this guy, I know you always get one, but would it make me think about coming back to Stonehaven? I don't know. I shouldn't let people like that kind of stop you, but very off-putting. Anyway, onwards and upwards. It's a beautiful day, so we'll take in the day and see where it leads us. I won't be staying here, I'll be moving on, and we'll see you all soon, wherever we end up. Beautiful. Oh, it's another fine weekend over. I've stopped off yesterday afternoon at just outside Lawrencekirk on the River Esk. We've got a static up here, so I needed to do some repairs to my side step, and been pretty successful. It was a bit of a job stripping it all down. Got it greased up, eventually got it all back together again, and it's been okay. It's been a good weekend. The incident up at Stonehaven, I'm not going to let that put me off, because it's a really nice place. A lot of people up there are really good, really nice people, so I'll be back. I'm away next week, away down south with the van. I've got a few days off, so I thought we'd go a little bit further afield, and we'll see how that goes. So tune in next week, and hopefully I'll all be well. Okay, take care. Bye bye.